Say hi. Hi, little girl. Hi. Yes, you're in a potato sack. I'm in a potato sack on my bouncy seat. Hi. What you going doing? Yes, I'm in the potato sack on my bouncy seat. How's that feel? Hi. Oh, yeah. It's my baby. There's your dog. Let's see your dog. Lily. What's Lily doing? Hi, Lil. Are you a good girl? Lily's a good dog. She's a very good dog. She's gonna relax.
Listen, you're not gonna put this on YouTube, are you?
There's the baby. Baby can't make her kicking things.
I know.
Dude. She's happy though. You happy?